Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains forward edge headlight flickering and discusses what could be causing changes in headlight brightness or intermittent light behavior during driving or while the vehicle is stationary. Headlights rely on stable electrical supply and proper system regulation, and flickering can indicate that lighting performance is not remaining consistent. Headlight design, lighting technology, and electrical architecture can vary by model year and configuration, so this condition may not apply uniformly to every forward edge. Based on documented automotive service and electrical system information, headlight flickering may indicate irregular voltage delivery, regulation-related behavior, or conditions affecting components responsible for supplying or stabilizing electrical power. In some situations, operating conditions such as engine load or accessory usage could be a potential contributing factor. Older generations may experience age-related electrical wear, while newer models could show different tendencies depending on lighting technology and control systems. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspecting the vehicle electrical system and lighting circuits to determine whether power delivery remains within normal operating specifications. Proper evaluation helps identify whether the flickering is related to normal operating characteristics or an underlying condition that requires attention. In summary, headlight flickering on the forward edge can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle age, electrical configuration, and usage. Accurate diagnosis is essential to ensure consistent lighting performance and safe driving conditions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.